Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, Discover Boss. I know you guys already see in the title, a luxury Airbnb tour. So that's what we're doing today. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like and definitely leave your comments as well. So we're at the Lofts, recently finished. It's right across from the National Stadium. And we'll be checking out an Airbnb apartment that's ready for a booking. So stay tuned, watch till the end, guys, and let's check out this apartment together. Alright guys, so amenities: underground parking, tennis court, jogging trail, gym and clubhouse area. There are great views as well. You can see basically all of Kingston. So we'll be going up in the apartment soon, just showing you guys outside first. Very lovely complex. We have two main clusters, A and B. We'll be going on the A cluster. This one we're looking at is the B. So stay tuned. Alright guys, and remember to leave your comment on this apartment complex, this Airbnb complex. Let me know what you think as soon as we're finished the video. So this is a luxury property tour, luxury Airbnb tour. I know I bring you guys all type of videos. This is a different type for you guys, where we're checking out an Airbnb that's available for booking right now. Very central, right next to the National Stadium. Alright guys, we're gonna go in the apartment right now, so stay tuned. So elevator access, along with staircase as well. Alright, so let's go up to the room, guys. The Loft apartment complex. Alright guys, so just came out the elevator. Lovely view of Kingston. That's the Long Mountain Country Club up there. Some lovely views. So that's down where we're coming from. And then this is all of Kingston. You can also see Andrew Holness, Prime Minister, Andrew Holness House. I'll have a detailed video, a closer look at his house, Prime Minister Andrew Holness. I'll put that in the description for you guys. Alright guys, so we're now at the door. So we see there's a security lock. So let's go right in. Alright guys, this is where we are today. So 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom Airbnb apartment at the Lofts. So this is what we're checking out today. I'll put the description for the Airbnb in the link and in the comment section as well. Cost is 17,000 Jamaican dollars. And in US, that's 140 Jamaican dollars. Sorry, 140 US per night. So this is where we at, the Loft apartment complex. So this is the laundry area first of all. It's closed, so washer and dryer. And let's start from the door. So we have the kitchen with bar stools and a little dining area. We have our electric stove. We have our smart fridge, Samsung smart fridge with a display. Let's light up the display for you guys. Alright, so with a smart display, microwave, fire extinguisher for emergency. You also get utensils if you want to cook. You know, coffee maker, plates, cup, glass, fork, knives. So, Airbnb short-term rental. You come into Jamaica for a short period. Are you in Kingston from Mobi for a short period? Are you in Kingston and just want to get away from your kids? This is the place to be. So $140 per night, US 17,000 Jamaican per night. And all this comes with it. So AC unit in all rooms, plus fan, cable, internet, smart TVs. And we'll soon look at the view. We'll leave the view for last. So very nice area, guys. Very comfortable, very central. And we know we're going through the battle of COVID right now, but when a lot of stuff starts keeping at the National Stadium as well, no need to worry. You can just book this Airbnb and you're right next to the National Stadium. So we have the master bedroom in this side. We'll leave that for last. And then we have the second bedroom this side. So let's take a look in this bedroom first. Alright, so this is the first bedroom. Other than booking via Airbnb, you can book through bookings.com as well. The apartment is on bookings.com. It's apartment 405/49. And I'll put the Airbnb link in the description as well. And you can also WhatsApp the person that operates this Airbnb. It's 917-445-6839. I'll put that number in the description and in the comments as well. So this is the first bedroom. You also have a very nice view of the entire Kingston. Underground parking, secured parking, 24-hour security, gym, jogging trail. Alright, so let's take a look in bathroom number 1. This is the closet area for this room. And again, AC unit in all rooms, fan if you're not an AC person. So check it out, guys. The Loft apartment complex, luxury Airbnb. So we have clean towels, comfortable bed, clean sheets. Then this is the bathroom area, mirror as well. Alright, so let's head on out to the balcony and we'll save the master for last. Alright, so we're heading now around to the balcony, show you guys some views of Kingston. So this is the living room space, comfortable couch, and again AC and fan, entertainment needs. So the loft is all about the views. Alright guys, come take a look. So that's the National Arena. That's the ocean. That's downtown Kingston. That's the Pegasus, tallest building in Jamaica. and that's New Kingston. That's the Sagicor building. That's the Cambridge apartment complex under construction. That's the AC Marriott Hotel. And right over there is the Hamptons apartment complex. Alright, so that's the jogging trail. It runs around the entire building. Some other balconies. Alright guys, so before we go in the master bedroom, as I said, watch till the end. So this couch is a smart couch. Not sure how many of you guys have experienced it before, but let's see what this couch can do. So wait for it. Alright, so the first thing that adjusts is the back. Not sure if you guys are seeing that. So the back can adjust to your comfort. Then after the back, the entire couch now can turn into, you know, a little bed. So it adjusts all the way down, and you can just sleep right here. That's pretty cool. Have any of you guys ever experienced a couch like this before? Let me know in the comment section. Or probably even have one at your home. Let me know as well. So this is a smart couch at this luxury Airbnb at the Loft. Alright guys, so let's go into the master bedroom now, because that's where we're heading. Alright, so this is the master. Let me know what you guys think. So fan and AC every room. And again, it's ready for booking right now. Remember to just, once you're booking, if you're leaving a comment or anything at all, just, you know, let them know that Rush sent you from Raymore Reviews. You know, don't forget to mention it's Rush. So whether you guys are traveling for business, traveling for vacation, traveling for an event, or you're probably, you know, in another parish, I want to stay over for a night or two, or any other short-term rental, just click the link in the comments. So it's the Airbnb link to book this apartment. And again, all room has views. So you're not short on views. Brings in a lot of very nice sunlight as well. So this is the master. Alright, we have a walk-in closet. So this is the walk-in closet. So storage on both sides. And then from the walk-in closet is the bathroom. And again, clean towels, clean linens. Alright guys, so again, let me know what you think in the comments section. Blow up the comments. And again, the link is in the comments and the description where you can book this luxury Airbnb. 140 USD per night. Remember to mention Rush sent you. Alright, so I show you guys outside. I show you guys the underground parking. Showed you guys the views. Showed you guys the security lock, the elevator. We're on the 4th floor. Show you guys the kitchen area. Electric stove, smart fridge, laundry. So this is it, guys. A luxury Airbnb next to the National Stadium. And again, we're at the Loft, which was developed and built by the Wiccan Construction Group. What I'll do too, I'll put in the description the very first video I did on this complex when it was under construction. For all my faithful subscribers, I know you guys would have been always watching, so you'd have seen some of the first videos I did on the Loft. And now this is a fully completed video, all finished. And it's really nice when I can cover these complexes while they're under construction, and then when they're finished, I'm able to go back and take a final look. It's always nice to do that. So again, guys, leave your comments. Thanks for watching till the end. If you have watched to the end, just comment Loft in the comment section. Comment luxury Airbnb, any one of those. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for always clicking, always watching, always liking. And again, link to book this Airbnb is in the description. Thanks again, guys. Alright, and as I usually say, guys, if you have anything that you want me to feature on the channel, an apartment, a new development, a commercial development, just buzz me in the comments or send me an email, rushremorereviews@gmail.com, or WhatsApp me at 876-456-4295, and then we can make arrangements for that. So whether it's an Airbnb, apartment, a development, anything that you want to feature on the channel, give me a buzz.